Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So today you're gonna start by heating some olive oil in a saucepan, then you add your onions. You mix it. Then after a few minutes you add the mince meat. So you just break it like this to make it like small pieces and cook it for a few minutes. So add the season too, salt and black pepper, some ginger, turmeric, cumin, and you mix it. Then add the garlic and mix it again. And then you leave it cook for a few minutes. Here we go. Then while your meat is kind of cooked, you're gonna add the tomato. So chopped tomato for my case. If you add some fresh tomato, try to take the skin off. And add some tomato pasta. Tomato puree, sorry. A second can of chopped tomato. So you have all the quantities in the description. Then some more tomato puree. And you mix it all together. And leave it cook on a medium heat. Then on the side you take like a container, saucepan or whatever you want. You put some boiling water in and you're gonna take the lasagna sheets and put them in. Just, make them like coming soft, because after that just, I don't know if it's the same for you, but usually they don't cook for me in the middle, so always cook them before. Then preheat your oven to 110 degrees. As you can see, start making sauce, keep mixing and keep cooking. And we're gonna start doing the bechamel. So start cooking the butter. So I didn't tell you for the lasagna sheets also, when you take them off from the boiling water, just after a couple of minutes, you put them in cold water until you use them later. If not, they're just all gonna stick together. So for the bechamel sauce, you add the flour, Then you mix it, and once it's mixed, you add your milk and mix again. So for this sauce bechamel, you have to always keep mixing. So yeah, just you can do like me, use a spoon for the corner of the saucepan. And keep mixing until it's getting more thick. So yeah, as you can see, it's just getting more thick. Then you're gonna add, well, I add some grated cheese, but you don't have to if you don't want to, but I think it's better with cheese. Then you just mix it a bit and switch off the heat and take it off. So after, you just add the meat in first. Well, I'll start with the meat in first because you know the lasagna shit are just gonna stick if not. Then meat after lasagna. As you can see, my lasagna shit, they're not like cooked, they're just, you know, soft, which means at least you know they're all gonna be cooked inside. But that's my way to do it. But if you wanna cook them straight, I mean, it's your choice. But they may not be all cooked inside. So yeah, just add them like this. So after, you add the meat in sauce. And then you're gonna add the bechamel sauce on top of the meat. But I didn't put too much bechamel every time because I think it's just, you know, better without too much. But you can of course add more if you want more. Just spread it on top. And you do this like, I don't know, 3-4 times. Lasagna, meat, sauce, lasagna, meat, sauce. Until you're out of lasagna, meat and sauce. Then the last one, you just add lasagna shade, sorry. Add the sauce, bechamel sauce. And then you add some grated cheese on top. Then you're gonna put the lasagna in the oven for like 45 minutes, but always check because you know your oven may cook then before than mine. Then after you can see it's like golden on top. And here we go. Hope you enjoyed this video. If it's the case, don't hesitate to subscribe.